put you in Nicole's camera.
Suspect, go again?
As soon as I can find it.
20. Not able to maneuver the turn very well.
Yeah, we think Nicole's sound is off, so we're gonna put you on four-way. You can see her chasing.
Anyhow.
No, she's back.
Now she's back.
No, that's us.
306, what are we chasing for? What the kind of chasing for?
Suspicious came out of a high crime area and it actually took off before I was lighting them up.
Sounds good. East squads can monitor it and try to stay out of it. But if he fails, we'll help him.
Okay.
So, where are we?
Through third.
Through third?
On Johnson Parkway.
I think so.
Oh yeah, underneath 94 now. Copy, Johnson Parkway under 94. Coming up to Burns.
Because she's muted, we're putting the four cameras on so you can see. You can at least see, you can hear her.
Westbound Burns. Means they're only about 18 around turn.
They're coming to.
Yep.
Westbound Burns.
Yep.
Go.
We need a vehicle description.
Where on Burns, west?
It's up to you to radio, man.
Westbound Burns. Coming up to Frank right now. I see someone's legs behind me.
Vehicle description?
The newer model white Hyundai.
This is the problem.
SUV. Come up to Claremont.
Clear.
Yeah, but
Copy, Claremont.
can I get through there if I want to? Doesn't look too good, does it?
No, you can't.
It's gonna have to cut over on Earl or something.
Position of gas on the left.
Yep, on you right now. Northbound on Mound.
Northbound on Mounds?
Northbound now.
It's gonna dead end there, but he might go downtown.
27.
Alright, he's number 1 now. Coming up to McLean. East on McLean.
Johnson Parkway
Have to go back to
Around McLean.
because that's all. Mounds is
Yeah,
all
what do you got
under
there?
construction.
Let me hear, I'll get you that location here in a second.
Coming up to Cypress.
Okay.
Yeah,
At Cypress.
Getting an ambulance here.
and Nicole's open.
Getting.
Can I turn this off? Down?
Through Earl.
Do we want to know? Oh, I mean, because it's on 2?
Through Earl.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Through Earl.
You can turn that one off. Oh, he's going back to Johnson Park, right? Well, you got 4 cameras because Nicole's camera is
No,
muted.
2 Johnson Parkway again. Johnson Parkway.
We're gonna run into this thing yet.
Through Johnson Parkway.
Well, that isn't gonna be good for him. He's on Burns.
There's a Clarence.
There we go.
Sept. Nothing close. Still northbound. And now eastbound on Pacific.
Eastbound on
Eastbound
Pacific.
Pacific. Pit. Trying to drive out of it. Pacific and Etna. Trying for another one here.
Okay, right ahead of us.
Headed Etna.
If he goes north on Etna, he's coming to you, Pat. You get-
319 Etna. 319 Etna. 319 Etna. Hit 2 in the car. 2 in the car.
So, I don't see it exactly, but
420.
No, we're going to get you at 319 Etna.
we take a right up here, I think.
Copy.
Yes. But I don't know for sure.
Well, this is,
I'm sorry, go again?
we got to. Right here.
Disregard on the road to 2773.
Copy.
Split 306. Did a county squad get involved in an accident near Johnson and Wilson?
Affirmative. We need 10 follow squads to assist.
Okay. Maybe some of those county squads that are chasing that car for an old easy can maybe, I don't know, swing back and check on their camera. We get Central and East squads go there, make sure everyone's okay, but it nice to get some home down there.
Well, somebody's in an
Yeah,
accident.
20, 25 minutes.
Copies at 2773 had an accident at Johnson Parkway in Wilson.
Suki or someone else want to come up here? I will as soon as I can. Or Mike Martin, if you're around, can you come up here?
Yes, that's at Johnson and Third. Yeah, it's gonna be Johnson Wilson, just south of Third. Copy, I'll be there in 2 minutes.
I was thinking I should be able to make it down there.
Thank you.
Wanted to advise that 2773 did request medic for himself and someone else. They're okay with 2165 tomorrow.
All right, Pat. All right, we got to go check on one of our deputies. Apparently had an accident, and we're going to check and see how he's doing.
What we got?
We're going to go check on Brian. He had an accident. He's asking for medics. So here we had obviously some narcotics, and the medics are probably coming. Narcotics and a gun in the car. So that's why he was running. Anytime you carry a gun and narcotics, nobody wants to get arrested with that. It's technically a federal offense.
2771.
We're going to go back and... They got 2 in custody
Are you
here.
code 4? Yes, ma'am. Good. Drop the passes. I'll track 1. Yes, please. Thank you. Copy. Dropping the passes. I'll pass 122 this morning.
I don't know if Brian was actually in the pursuit at the time or just coming to the area, but we're going to go check on him. It sounds like I'm not sure.
2025. How many medic do we have coming to Wilson? Or 2?
2 en route.
Clear right.
We'll need 2 here as well. Wilson and Johnson.
Copy 2 at Wilson and Johnson.
Well,
279 got a minute break.
Pulling up now. We will need 4 total. 2 here, then 2 down on that.
that's Darren McDonald in the background, kind of coordinating. I think they only need 1.
Ready. 378.
378.
So we're going to go back and see what happened to...
Transporting a male to region from 380.
380.
It is tough driving
He
conditions.
grouped this accident into that AOA, and the victim's car for this accident is going to be Echo X-Ray Alpha 697.
$327.
327.
1087, that's assault.
Copy to 1784 LaCrosse Avenue. I was requesting medics for a subject that was threatening to physically be addressed with
Everybody's in a hurry
other
now,
clients.
but- How's it look, right, Pat?
Clear.
383 as the list. Thanks. Pay me with that, please.
So earlier in the chase, you heard them
Copy.
southbound on
323.
Johnson Parkway.
Really?
We're guessing, it's only a guess, that that's when
220.
there was some form of...
We don't need any more squads at Johnson.
You think?
We got plenty of help here.
Copy. No additional squads at Johnson Parkway.
Do you have any hand sanitizer in here?
I don't, but I want... I mean, because of the drugs that you inhaled in that guy's hands. We're just gonna... We're gonna sit right here.